Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the JPG. Make sure you know its folder so you can save the new PNG nearby. Open your chosen app, Photos on Windows, Preview on Mac, or an editor like GIMP, because each handles export differently. Once the file loads, check image size and transparency needs, since PNG preserves alpha channels while JPG does not. Make a quick backup of the JPG now. This prevents accidental quality loss later and ensures you can compare results after conversion. Now you export. Choose File, then Export or Save As, and select PNG from the format list so you maintain full color fidelity. Make sure to set bit depth, 8-bit for simple graphics, 24 or 32-bit for photos and transparency, because this affects file size and quality. If your image requires transparency, enable alpha or transparent background. Otherwise, keep it off to reduce size. Once settings are chosen, pick a save location and file name, then click Save or Export to generate the PNG. Finally, open the exported PNG to confirm dimensions, sharpness, and transparency behaved as expected. Compare it to the JPG. If colors look off, re-export using the sRGB profile or disable color profile conversion, because mismatched profiles cause shifts. If the PNG is unexpectedly large, try lowering bit depth or enabling optimization, since PNG is lossless and can balloon in size. Alternatively, use a dedicated PNG optimizer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.